Shalom Chavarim, this is Richard Solomon, and this will be my tutorial on how to use Linoit, which is located right up here. It's en.linoit.com, and if you click over here, you can sign up for Linoit, all right? Or you can sign up right over here. So let's first go to my sign up page, right? And you then just log in, and that'll take you to the different Linoit canvases that I made. Here is a Linoit canvas that I made on Judaism and also web tools. And here is an interesting one that I made related to Purim. You'll notice that there are different types of items, which I'll show you how I made in a moment. Here is a sticky that explains that this is just part of a tutorial that I'm doing at the present time. And here's another sticky that your students can place a movie or a link or an image. And again, I'll show you how to do all of this. And this explains that here's a Purim Story. And you'll notice that you can actually play the Purim Story by Rabbi Beryl Wine by just clicking over here. And it will actually play it, you see.
JewishHistory.org presents Rabbi Beryl Wine's 5,000 Years of Jewish History. One video clip at a time. Now for a special clip, the story of Purim.
Well, we're not going to go over all of that, but so we're showing you that, and below you'll find an image which I uploaded from my computer. This is an interesting sticky which actually says below you will find a web resource sharing different aspects of the Purim holiday. And if you click on this, it will actually take you to a source called the Jewish Virtual Library, and will describe different elements of Purim. All right, and we have here a favorite Purim song by the Maccabees, and here's another sticky where students can place any of their questions. So in a sense, what Linoit is a multimedia presentation tool that allows you to share images, videos, clips, and upload items from your computer. And I'm going to demonstrate how you actually do that. Okay, so let's go to my homepage. Let me stop this for a moment. Okay, let me just pause this, get to it. Now we're going to resume recording, and we're going to create a new canvas. So here I am creating a new canvas. We'll give it a name. Let's call it Demo of Purim Resources for this tutorial. Okay, and you have all kinds of choices of backgrounds. So we can make the background look like this if we like. And we want this to be shown to everyone. And let's see, everyone may post stickies. That's nice. And let's just create the canvas. So here's the canvas. And, oh, this is too long. I see. Demo of Purim resources. We'll say 14. Purim resources. All right, let's see if they will accept this. And we'll create the canvas. Yes, they have. All right, so we're going to show you how we did this. And we're going to show it to you in a unique way. I have a cheat sheet in the Word. Okay, so I'm going to copy this. All right, and you'll see how that works in a moment. So we'll get to this over here. Let's get to this one. And let's say we want to put this over here, and we'll say this is a YouTube of Rabbi Barrel Wine explanation of the story of Purim. Okay, and you have lots of choices. You can change the color if you want. Okay, let's put a period here, and you could tag it if you want, calling it Purim, so that others can see that on the internet. And let's say you wanted to have a movie clip. All right, so of the URL. So we just paste the clip that was on the Word document, and that's where it is. See how simple this thing is? I'll give you another example. Let's go back to the Word document. If we can find it. Here's a Word document. Let's do this one, okay? This is related to the history of Purim from the Jewish Virtual Library. Let me just copy this. Okay, so I'm copying it. And let's get back to the document. Let's try this color and move it here, right? And let's just put the command in, right? And we can change the color if we want. Let's say I wanted a yellow. Would that look okay? We'll just accept that. Now look, you just click here and it takes you there. Isn't that interesting? Let's see what else we can do. Let's go back to the cheat sheet on Word. Let's say we wanted to just indicate this is part of my tutorial on how to use Linoit.com as a multimedia presentation. Let's just copy that. Okay, let's get back here. Let's make it this color. And let's copy that, right? And get rid of the 5. And should we give it a different color? How about this color? And we can even do an image from the computer. So that'll be the last one I'll share with you, okay? So let's go and say image of Purim for my computer. Let's copy that. Let's go to Linoit. Let's make it this color. We'll say below is an image of Purim for my computer, right? Put a period here. Let's post it. And what we do is we go here and we choose a file of a Purim image, right? We open it. There it is. We can make it small, medium, or large. Let's say I want to make it large. And we post it. Okay. I could change this image of, save. And the last thing I want to show you is when you want to share this with others, you hit the information. See the little eye here? And you copy the URL. See this URL? And you can share that with your students so that they can be able to copy it. Let me give you an example, okay? So I'm going to copy here. I'm going to go here. I'm going to go here. I'm going to compose something to myself, give the URL. We'll send this to Richard D. Solomon. We'll call this Linoit demo. Try to spell that correctly. Send it. It should come to me in a moment. All right, let's see if it comes to me. Here it is. You click on this, and your students will actually then see what you have done. So this is my tutorial on how you use the multimedia presentation tool called Linoit. I hope it was helpful, and thank you so much for taking the course with us.